I'm here at Dr. Charanjit Uppal office here in Milpitas. I hope he's here. Dr. Charanjit
We
is
can
our.
see the lights on, Peter.
Yes,
I hope
yeah.
he's here.
I hope he's here.
Yeah.
He's our grand sponsor of the
Oh.
Valentine Bash 2015 coming up on Saturday. This at ICC. So, Dr. Charanjit, are you there? Wow!
Hey, Peter!
Wow! So good to see you. Yeah.
Good to see
How
you.
are you?
Very good. Very good.
So good to see you.
How
How are
are
you,
you?
Priyanka?
Nice to meet you.
So here we are.
What a surprise.
You are on a video, and we were talking about Valentine Bash 2015 coming at ICC, and you are our grand sponsor. By the way, we want to thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
Peter.
thank you for
You're
your
always
great
welcome.
support.
You're always welcome. That's so nice of you.
Thank you.
I'm glad I'm part of it. And
Are you excited for the show?
All the time. I mean, this is a signature event.
I know.
And you have been saying also on the radio and all this. You did that
Yes,
on your
right,
show. Yeah.
yes. So thank you very much.
Our
Actually,
pleasure.
What a surprise you're here.
Our pleasure. No, I was talking to Priyanka. I said, let's take a shot at it. Let's see if he's there. We're glad we found him. Yeah.
This show will be like awesome. That
Yeah.
night will be awesome because I was the part of the show last year and I was doing the fashion show for Mala Biskatur Jyotika Bhatia. I mean, it was really awesome. So this time we will be having Bollywood singers from like Sare Gama Pa and then rapper also, and then we will have a showstopper which is a surprise for everybody.
I know
For
Peter has
the
been
ju-
telling me, but he hasn't
Yeah.
told me who it is.
What are we going to tell you then?
That will be the surprise for
Yeah, he
everybody.
told me that's a little bit different this time.
That's going to
Yeah.
be different.
Something
And then also singer Priyanka, with the male singer Gitesh Iyer,
Right.
along with because is a versatile singer. But Gitesh is Indian Idol and also Voice of Tamil Nadu.
Oh.
So that's going to be a treat,
That's right.
A great singer, from two title holding from
And
India.
then we will have food and then DJ and then dance.
And
It will
the
be-
food is, as you know, we have a lot of appetizers we serve from 7 o'clock on till 9 o'clock, 9:30 sometime. Lots of appetizer. And then, wild veg and non-veg. Then we're going to have full dinner by Park Baluchi.
Oh,
You've
nice.
tried Park
Yes,
Baluchi,
yes.
haven't you? We
I've
had a
been
party
there
there.
a lot of time.
How
Yeah,
did you like the Park
I
Baluchi?
love the food.
Maybe you have tried it too.
Always,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
So, and thank you, Charanjit ji. By the way, I do want to say that if you remember, I did become your patient. And I love it. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
Everything is looking good. I'm going to come more often here as soon as my Valentine is
I'm
done.
glad I'm glad that everything worked out for
Honestly,
you.
I mean,
appreciate
it's
it.
been
Thank you so much,
it
Charanjit.
has been.
Thank you, Priyanka.
So tell us something about your how it is going. Your business growing very nicely.
Little bit on your services
On
for
your services and all that.
clients.
We basically provide every service.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we hardly send people out. Basically, provide everything in house, and I personally treat people. So I think this is a Valentine event. I should not be talking about.
Yes.
We'll talk
should
about
be more
some
about enjoy.
love, some
We
are here.
Valentine's.
Exactly.
And you like our services. That's nice of
Absolutely,
you.
absolutely.
And we appreciate all the help, all our clients who help us out,
Right.
and that's why
I think
we're able
just
to
Bay
sponsor
Area
it.
love your services,
Yes,
Charanjit
that's
ji.
nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
So I guess we do have a regular table still
Right,
available,
right.
and I guess we're telling the people to go and buy through Sulekha side. I
Yeah,
guess.
they can go buy from Sulekha or they can call Peter for the tickets. And I think all the VIP reserve tickets are already sold out. So we will have regular tickets. So come, hurry up soon.
Before
and then,
those are gone too.
Yeah,
Yes.
and we'll rock the floor.
Right, and by the way, this is all about you come alone, you bring your family, loved one, girlfriend, boyfriend. It's all about friendship, love, and much masti.
Yeah.
So come in, and the dress code is
Red.
and black. Thank you.
Thank
so much.
you.
Thank you, Dev.